guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an onion farm like this. First, what you're going to want to do to make this sick onion farm is you're going to want to come into the hub, right? And then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to go to your seeds, and then you're going to go down to onion seeds, and you're going to purchase a bunch. I recommend about at least 40 for this, or 77 like I have. Go to totems, buy an onion totem, buy 4 of these or 1. Well, you'll see those later. By the way, just for later in the video, this is where you get slimes, the adventurer. Then we go back to my island. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your workbench tier 3, craft some conveyor belts, which you need 1 steel rod, which is this, only 25 steel. And after you have that, you can make an industrial chest, which I'm using later, which you need a medium chest. I'm kind of showing you all the things you need for later on this video. You need the industrial chest, you need a basic sprinkler, 4 basic sprinklers, an industrial washing station, or you don't need that. For later in the video, for the first part of the video, it's just going to be for like news and stuff. A water catcher or the water barrel. So what you can do is you can come over here, you can put down your conveyor belts, put your onion totems, put these in a 3x3 area, and then you're done, pretty much, for noobs. Or for noobs, it's just, if you just started out and you bought some onion seeds and don't know what to do with them, just put them in a 4x4 or whatever you want to do, and they'll grow. And then this is for like the better players. You can do this. And then my final tip for like the really good players, kind of like me, is you do the same process. You get the sprinkler, which you need crystallized iron for, which is pretty rare. The onion totems, pick it up and throw it down here. You want to make 2 high blocks because you want to make this little thing off your island, this little grass patch off your island, or whatever block you're using. And you make sure you have a coal totem, and the onions will drop onto the conveyor belt. See, just like this one. The coal will power it. The industrial station will clean them, and they'll go into your industrial chest, just like that. As easy as that. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and this is how you make a pro onion farm, just like Darkfire Gaming. Also, comment what other tutorials you want me to do on this channel. I'll gladly take them in and do the videos, and I'll heart your comments.